What if the key to manifesting your deepest desires wasn't hoping or wishing, but living as if you already had everything you ever wanted? Imagine waking up each day already embodying your dream life. Today, we'll reveal how Neville Goddard's principle of living in the end can transform your reality and help you master the art of manifestation. One of Neville Goddard's most profound teachings is the concept of living in the end. But what does this mean? Simply put, it's the practice of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the state of already having achieved your desired outcome. It is about moving past the illusion of want and stepping into the feeling of fulfillment. Neville emphasized that the secret to creating the life you desire is not in repeatedly longing for it, but in experiencing it mentally and emotionally as if it already exists. He often said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled." This assumption is not a passive daydream but an active, vivid embodiment of the reality you wish to live. At its core, living in the end shifts your consciousness to a state of completion. The universe, as Neville taught, responds to the state of being you embody. When you think from your desired reality instead of thinking of it, you create a powerful force that aligns external circumstances with your internal state. Neville likened this process to playing a role. Just as an actor steps into a character and lives out its emotions, beliefs, and actions, you too must step into the role of the person who already has what you seek. This mental act sends a signal to your subconscious mind, which in turn influences your behavior, decisions, and opportunities, aligning them with the reality you've envisioned. One common mistake in the manifestation journey is remaining in a state of wanting. When you focus on wanting something, you reinforce the absence of it in your life. Neville explained that desire is the seed, but living in the end is the nurturing that brings the seed to life. To truly manifest, you must move beyond mere desire and into the feeling of already having your wish fulfilled. Picture this. If you wish to manifest financial abundance, don't dwell on the lack of money or how it will come to you. Instead, embody the feeling of security, freedom, and joy that comes with financial stability. Imagine your daily life as someone who is already prosperous. How would you think, speak, and act? When you live in that state consistently, your subconscious mind begins to align your reality with those feelings. Neville often shared stories of how living in the end transformed lives. One powerful account was that of a man who wished to own a successful business. Instead of merely hoping and planning, he imagined himself as already owning the business. Every day, he visualized what it would feel like to walk through the doors of his successful company, the pride in his work, and the satisfaction of his achievements. He assumed this reality so vividly that he began to embody it in everything he did. Within months, circumstances shifted, opportunities presented themselves, and his vision materialized. Neville's personal anecdotes reinforce that living in the end is not just theory. It is a proven approach to turning dreams into tangible realities. His own life was a testament to this, as he shared stories of how he manifested travel, opportunities, and relationships by simply assuming the end result and embodying it wholeheartedly. To begin living in the end, take these simple steps. 1. Identify your desire. Clearly define what you wish to manifest. Be specific and ensure that it aligns with your deepest aspirations. 2. Visualize your end state. Create a mental scene that captures the moment after your wish has been fulfilled. Make it vivid. See the sights, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions as if it were happening now. 3. Feel it fully. The feeling is the secret, as Neville would say. Engage your emotions deeply. If you're manifesting love, feel the warmth of your partner's presence. If it's success, feel the pride and contentment. 4. Assume the identity. Begin to think, act, and respond as the person who already has what they want. Your thoughts and actions should reflect your new state of being. 5. Persist in the assumption. Doubt may creep in, and reality might test your resolve, but persistence is key. Continue living in the end, regardless of current circumstances, until your external world aligns with your internal vision. Many people struggle to maintain the feeling of the wish fulfilled, especially when faced with the stark contrast of current reality. Neville's advice? Remain faithful to your assumption. This means treating your imagined reality as more real than the physical evidence around you. The outer world may take time to catch up, but your job is to stay unwavering in your belief. If doubt arises, remind yourself that the reality you see is merely a reflection of past beliefs. By staying committed to the state of your wish fulfilled, you are actively reprogramming your subconscious and inviting new outcomes to manifest. Living in the end is more than a manifestation technique. It is a shift in how you engage with life. It empowers you to become the architect of your reality rather than a passive observer. By embracing this practice, you move from being someone who hopes for change to someone who creates change from within. As Neville said, dare to believe in the reality of your assumption and watch your world change. This daring belief is what will set you apart and elevate your manifestation journey to new heights. Start today, assume your wish fulfilled, and live as if it is already yours. In time, you will see the world bend to your vision, turning your dreams into your lived reality. Join us for episode 4, where we'll explore the art of faith, trusting your imagination to manifest your desires. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to continue this journey into the teachings of Neville Goddard. Your path to mastering manifestation is just beginning. Embrace it and watch your life transform.